Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
This is the emergency placard on the back of the front door. For power to the room, you need to stick your room key in or a card in to cut the power on, and there's the switch. Just inside the main door, you have a two-sided closet. In the closet, you got a full-length one for long dresses, long coats, anything like that, a suit. Full-length mirror. And in this closet, you have a few shelves, the safe, and a few drawers. In front of the closet, you have the bathroom door. Standard shower, gels. Nothing to write home about. Small, claustrophobic. There's your toilet. A couple of shelves. Waste can. A little more storage underneath. And a mirror. And also a plug for your razor. Just past the closet, you have a little desk, phone, a couple of USB ports, a couple of electrical outlets, 120 volt, and then you also have the European 230 volt. A little stool, ottoman. Across from that, you have the TV, another desk, 3 shelves, and also your little cooler. As far as the bed, 2 twins pushed together to make a king, a lamp on either side, no plugs, light switch in the middle to cut off all the lights, and a little artwork. Up top, you have a couple of pull-down beds, so if you want to sleep 4 in this room, you could. Also, I failed to mention, here's the thermostat right here, right next to the restroom.